எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவான இன்டர்வியூ. யாரோட இன்டர்வியூ அப்படின்னா, ஜனவரியில நிறைய படம் ரிலீஸ் ஆகிறது அது நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும். அதுல இந்த படத்து மேல ஒரு எதிர்பார்ப்பு இருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஜிவி பிரகாஷோடைய படம். அதுவும் இதுல வந்து அவர் ஆக்ஷன் ட்ரை பண்ணிருப்பார் போல இருக்கு. ட்ரெய்லர்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது அப்படிதான் தெரியுது. ப்ரூஸ்லி இந்த படத்தோட ஹீரோயின் நம்ம தந்தி டிவிக்காக எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா இன்டர்வியூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. பாருங்க.
It was very good. It was very, very good. I think I just had trouble the first couple of days because I wasn't used to the language. But everyone made an effort to make sure that, you know, I get used to it. And especially the assistant directors, they really helped me out. And of course the cameraman, he was, you know, guiding me at every point. So I think all in all, it was a great effort from the team to make me comfortable. I am very, very comfortable working in any film for that matter, as long as the people are good. Sometimes you can work in the biggest of films and not have the right kind of people, so there's nothing you can do about it. But touch wood, my experiences have been pretty good so far. GV is like a powerhouse of talent. He's not just a brilliant music director, he's actually a very good actor. He's a lot of fun to work with, very down to earth, very chilled out. We've all hung out together all the time. It's something, you know, that I look for in a co-star, someone you can relate to, someone you can actually have a conversation with, because it's just easier to work with them that way. So exciting because it's nothing like I've shot before, and this one sequence where GV is supposed to carry me, I'm supposed to fall on him, and actually while shooting it was quite funny. I fell twice in the shot, but we managed to pull it off. It was a lot of fun. In fact, Brinda Master did a fabulous job with the choreography, and Shankar sir's cinematography is top notch. It's very tiring. Prashant has this obsession with vintage cars, and they're so difficult to drive and sit in. So it was a very difficult experience, but I think overall we got what we wanted. The movie is looking colorful, it's looking interesting, and I think we're living up to the hype of the campaign. Prashant is an overgrown child. He needs to be babysitted all the time. Babysitted, I say, because he says that word. But literally someone needs to babysit him on set. If you give him a bowl of biryani and you shoot at night, he can go on and on and on. He loves that. But fabulous director, very energetic, full of positivity, and very talented. I think the first one was that I fell while GV was trying to catch me. I was nervous, so I actually just fell straight down, like flat out, and everyone laughed. I think the chasing sequences were another one that, you know, here this one shot where Prashant kept saying cut, cut, and the car wouldn't brake. So we went on and on and on with it. There was another sequence on the bike where I remember falling off, and I couldn't stop laughing after that. But I think we've had like so many of these smaller incidents on set. They've really made for a fun shoot. The words I've learnt, if I say, I will be thrown out of the industry, because Prashant has taught me only the bad words. Of course. In fact, I've heard songs from his other films also, you know, like when he would compose, he'd come on set and be like, Kriti, listen to this, what do you think? I think he's fabulous. He's also composed music for one of my films in Telugu, so we go back a long way. Honestly, I want to work with everybody. I'm a big Surya fan. I really want to work with Surya. Ajit sir is someone else that I think is very, very talented. I want to work with him. But if you really, like, if you're going to ask me, I want to work with everybody possible. I can't make one choice. I think it's the food and the beach. It's just something I really enjoy. There's a calm in this place that I really enjoy.